the statement of the Chief Minister that though 1,10,000 youth are on the live register of the unemployment exchange, 80,000 from there are already working in different sectors. But they are still kept it there because they are looking for government job and so forth. And therefore only 20,000 are unemployed. He reaches this conclusion with his normal Jumlagiri calculation, which is imbibed in them and which is ingrained in them by their party. His civil supplies minister has categorically stated 2 days ago that they have 37,000 BPL card holders. Is the Chief Minister trying to tell us that people are gainfully employed and are yet coming under the BPL category? Mr. Chief Minister, please do not try to survive and keep your position intact by telling lies. Telling lies is like building your foundation of your position on sand. When the fury of the people stand up, you'll be just washed away, you'll not know what has happened. My appeal to you is face the truth. The difficult situation, the people of Goa will all support you to solve the problem. But if you try to bluff yourself and bluff the people of Goa, you are only creating problem for yourself and taking the state to a great disaster. I appeal to the Chief Minister, stop fooling the people, especially today as they are suffering with price rise at every side. Stop it, sir. Face the truth.